Next question, which is question 13, is a GP question that says second term of a geometric series is minus 2 over 3 and its sum to infinity is 3 over 2. Find its common ratio. Let's start with the first line. The second term of a geometric series is minus 2 over 3. We know second term is always written as AR. AR is minus 2 over 3. Its sum of infinity, formula for sum of infinity is A over 1 minus R. So it says find the common ratio, find R. Looking at this question, we see the fact that we're not given the value for A or R, so we have two unknowns. It kind of forms a simultaneous equation. And since we're looking for R, the best thing to do is to make A subject of formula to eliminate it by substitution, since it forms a form of simultaneous equation. Let's go down and do that. In equation 1, making a subject of formula, this is equation 2. We write our equation 1, AR minus 2 over 3. We divide both sides by R to make A subject of formula. Therefore, R cancels R. A is equal to minus 2 over 3 divided by R. It's already shown here. Minus 2 over 3 divided by R, which is also A equals minus 2 over 3 divided by R over 1. A equals minus 2 over 3 times 1 over R. A is equal to minus 2, that's minus 2 times 1. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, then 3 times R is 3R. That's A. We substitute, since we derived this from equation 1, we substitute it into equation 2, which is the sum of infinity. Sum of infinity is equals to A over 1 minus R. And we were already given our sum of infinity as 3 over 2. So we have 3 over 2 is equal to the value for A is minus 2 over 3R over 1 minus R. That's substituting the value of A from the first equation, derived from the first equation, into this. So in the second equation, A is represented by this. So we'll solve down. 3 over 2 is equal to minus 2, 3R, that's minus 2 over 3R divided by 1 minus R, which is at the bottom, divided by 1 minus R. Then we'll have minus 2 over 3R. We're still having 3 over 2 in front, equals minus 2 over 3R times, because this can be over 1, times 1 over, that's 1 minus R. Then we'll have 3 over 2 equals minus 2 over 3R. Then you have 1 minus R, that's minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. We have 3 over 2 equals minus 2. We can open this bracket. We have 3R, that's 3R times 1 will give you 3R. And 3R times minus R will give you minus 3R squared. The next thing we'll do is cross multiply to make it linear math. We have 3 into open bracket 3R minus 3R squared close bracket equals minus 2 times 2. We have 3 times 3R, we have 9R minus 3 times minus 3R squared as 9R squared equals 4. We've actually gone down to turning this GP question to a simultaneous equation. Now it's turned into a quadratic equation. That's the format in which we get JAMB questions. They're not really hard, but they might combine 2, 3, sometimes 4 topics in one question. So since we have an understanding of our quadratic equation, we'll rearrange. And the best thing to do, since you don't want the one with the r squared to be negative, you take it to the other side. Take this to the other side. Also the 9, which has a plus, 9r which has a plus, take it to the other side. So we have 9r squared minus 9r, because this crosses and turns the equal to sign and turns into minus. Then we still have your minus 4. Still have our minus 4 equals 0. Next is we'll multiply this 9 times this minus 4, we get minus 36. And we know how we normally work with our quadratic equation. Two numbers that will give you minus 36. When you multiply them, yet when you add them, it give you minus 9 without wasting much of our time. And we should know this by now because it's a JAMB question. And it's expected that you already advanced. We have minus 12 and plus 3. We have minus 12 and plus 3. We'll put r's at your back to give you, when you multiply them together, it gives you minus 36. When you add them together, minus 12 and 3, it gives you minus 9. So you have 9r squared minus 12r plus 3r minus 4 equals to 0. What's common in these two? We'll group them in twos. What's common in the first two? We have 3r. Take 3r from the 9r squared, we'll be left with 3r. Then we'll take 3r from the 12r, we have 4 left. Then there's actually nothing really common apart from 1 in these two, so we'll take plus 1 out. We'll be left with 3r minus 4, close bracket, 0. Since these two are identical, that means we're in the right part. We pick one of the two identicals. We have 3r minus 4, close bracket, we have 3r plus 1. We'll take the 3r here and the 1 outside after we pick the identical. I'll put in bracket equals 0. Next we have 3r minus 4 equals 0, or 3r plus 1 equals 0. 3r equals 4 on one side, as you take the minus 4 outside, turns to plus 4, or 3r equals minus 1. R here is 4 over 3, or r here on the other side is minus 1 over 3. And since r has to be less than 1, the right of the answer of the two options is minus 1 over 3, which is A.